Why are you dog sitting?
The owner's on vacation.
Until June?
Yeah. You see the bottom? How it's
Do I
all
put this
stretched?
in the sink?
You can put that in the sink. Or on the counter.
Has he got any of it in his mouth?
The head. They have fun trying to eat this one.
Those are treats. Oh, you don't have them.
Want a cheese stick?
No. Yeah.
They're in the fridge in the bottom drawer.
Okay.
Way at the bottom. Bring me one too, will you? Please?
Ow.
We're usually two together.
There you go. Why does it make that noise?
What's that? Fish tank?
That air sound?
Air.
Yeah.
Where? The kitchen?
No. Air. Like
Mm.
on
Oh, I
the
might need
seat.
Huh?
On the seat.
Oh, it's because of the cushion.
What did you just eat?
The cushion. I thought it was the cushion.